In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use Citi mobile banking features. So let's get straight into the video. We're going to be looking at all the features that are available. The first you can do is check your account balances, available credits, recent transactions, and statement in real time. All you need to do is open your Citibank and you can see the amount, or even simply click on accounts and then go watch statement. You can also transfer money. So you can easily transfer money between your Citi accounts or to other banks securely. And that is by clicking on transfer. You can also pay bills, so pay your bills, credit card, and loan on the go and set up one-time or recurring payments. You can also send money with Zelle, and that is also going to be available, or you could also deposit checks directly from your application on few tabs. You can also manage your cards, so view your card details, lock or unlock cards, or even set alerts and report a lost or stolen cards directly from your card section on your app. You can also use insights and charts to track your spending and set budgets and achieve your financial goals. You can also set alerts like account alerts for balances, transactions, due dates, and many more. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.